Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to chart crypto like a pro using Coinbase Advanced. First open Coinbase Advanced on the app or website and select a trading pair like BTC or USD, which is a great choice for beginners. Next, choose a time frame that matches your trading style. Shorter time frames are useful for quick trades, while longer ones help you spot bigger trends. You can also add indicators like RSI, EMA, and moving averages to better understand market directions. Don't forget to watch trading volume and candlesticks pattern as they can help you identify potential entry and exit points. Before risking real money, practice your chart trading skills with a demo account if possible. The more you practice, the better you will become at analyzing the market. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.